Welcome to Rhythm Basics, where we'll explore the fundamental elements of music. Rhythm is the pattern of sounds in music, created by the arrangement of notes and rests. It's the heartbeat of music, giving it life and energy. One of the most important tools for understanding rhythm is the metronome. A metronome is a device that helps us keep a steady beat, allowing us to practice and perform music with precision and accuracy. It's an essential tool for any musician. Rhythm is created by the arrangement of notes and rests in music. Notes can be short or long, and rests can be used to create silence and space. The combination of these elements creates a unique rhythm, giving music its character and feel. The piano is another instrument that can create complex and nuanced rhythms. With its wide range of notes and dynamics, the piano is an ideal instrument for exploring rhythm and expression. Time signature is a notation that indicates the rhythm and meter of a piece of music. It's usually expressed as a fraction, with the top number indicating the number of beats in a measure, and the bottom number indicating the type of note that gets the pulse. In an orchestra, the conductor plays a crucial role in shaping the rhythm and expression of the music. By leading the musicians and guiding the tempo, the conductor helps to create a unified and cohesive sound. Rhythmic patterns are the building blocks of music and can be used to create complex and interesting rhythms. By combining different patterns and variations, musicians can create unique and expressive music. Practice is essential for developing a strong sense of rhythm and timing. By using a metronome and practicing regularly, musicians can improve their skills and become more confident performers. Thanks for watching. Visit Musicogram for interactive apps and more music theory lessons.